I'm Esme and this is Polyvine's heavy duty wood varnish. This is a staple in our hard-wearing varnish range, designed specifically for high protection on wood surfaces, including doors, worktops, tabletops, furniture, kitchen cabinets, and wood paneling. Simply apply 2 to 3 coats to create an ultra-hard, high-quality, fast-drying and fast-curing varnish with either a satin or dead flat finish. If a very high level of durability and stain resistance is required, then we suggest applying 2 coats of satin finish, followed by 1 coat of dead flat finish, leaving the surface chemical, alcohol, abrasion and heat resistant. Thanks so much for watching.